So, time to begin the unglamorous work, volunteering and cleaning out the flues. It makes a cool effect, and 765, as you can see, it's a steam locomotive. We use this wand here, has an air jet, it's hooked up to an air compressor, and we use it to go down each and every one of those holes to blow the flues out, which flues in tubes, about 200 of them, I suppose, roughly. This is what the firebox looks like. Those are help with circulation, the thermic siphons and so on, and each one of these holes are stables that hold the inner and outer firebox together. But each one of those we run this wand up and down to clean, and it has an air jet, see? And it blows all the soot and clinker and all the junk out of each of those pipes so the engine can breathe better, and we can inspect it and clean out the smoke box. So yeah, in I go. Maybe I'll take a little video footage, but it's a pretty dirty job inside there, as you can imagine, because if you don't turn the wand off when you pull it out, it blows all the soot back in your face. And as you can see, I'm gonna wear goggles and a face mask, although we have the blower hooked up, so it creates a negative atmosphere in there to suck all that junk out and blow it up the stack. It looks like looks like the engine's on when I'm blowing, and shoots out a bunch of, you know, smoke like and cinder. So it's pretty cool to watch, but it's a laborious process. In case any of you guys out there were wondering how flues are cleaned if they don't use a brush. Anyway, maybe I'll take some photos in there, or video. Ciao for now.